现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're going to teach you something very, very practical because, a lot of times we do things and we want to get results immediately, or we're going to do something right away. 这个 right away 叫马上，怎么说呢？念四 OK, that means right away. 那比如说，你喜欢看球赛吗？
还好，生平去过球场一次哦。
是棒球、篮球，还是网球、乒乓球，还是看保龄球？
棒球去看过一次，但是篮球也有看过好几次。
棒球其实很好看哦，虽然会拖很长，但是很有气氛。那我们今天就有一个状况是这样好了 ，OK, let's say a bunch of people want to go see the ball game, maybe a baseball game, and asking friends if they want to go, and if so, right away, we're going to leave right away, OK? 我们要去看球赛，你要去吗？ We're going to go watch a ball game. You want to go?
我哋愛去看球賽。
我哋愛去看球賽。
愛去嘛？
愛去嘛？就是你要去嗎？ Right? That means do you want to go? 愛去嘛？然後球賽叫做
球賽。
球賽 OK? 球賽 That means a ball game. It could be any ball. It could be baseball. It could be basketball. All right? 好，我也要去。Yes, I want to go too.
好，我咩愛去？
我咩愛去 OK, 我也要去嘛咩就是也愛去要去 want to go, I want to go too. 那既然这个月是教马上 right away, 所以当然我们的回答就是那我们马上出发 So we're gonna go right away, immediately. That's exactly what we're teaching this month, right? Immediately. 我们马上出发怎么说？
嘅驗視出發。
嘅驗視出發Okay, 出發 obviously is 出發 that means let's go. And then 馬上 we've been teaching this is 驗視 Okay, again 驗視 that means right away. Let's go right away and watch the ball game. Don't miss out, right? 这个球赛啊，不管是篮球啊、棒球，尤其是足球，可能一场才踢一球进去，你错过的话，那个整个错过那个最精彩的那个点了，对不对？就不好看了。对，所以要马上出发。那我们现在马上来 review 这一次教的一些生字。Let's review some of the phrases, such as a ball game 球赛。
球賽。
球賽 Okay, could be any ball game. And then 你要去嗎？ Do you want to go?
唔愛去嘛？
唔愛去嘛？ And the final one, let's go. 出發 depart.
出發。
出發 And don't forget, this whole month, it's all about doing things immediately or right away, 馬上
驗視。
驗視 And there you have it. That does today's Practical Hakka on Icrt.
什麼大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.